You know, the creaking on the bike is gone. It's gone now. It wasn't the battery. It was coming from the headset. Someone commented, I think it's Calabasas bike. Mentioned about to check the headset and to change it to creaking. Anyway, I ordered the creaking headset right away, but man, it's taking a while. So I just I checked the headset, greased it. There's a lot of scratch marks on the outside of the bearing shell, which means it's probably rotating in the carbon fiber cup of the frame. So that's not good. Anyway, cleaned that up, greased it well, and that creaking is gone. So I'm still using the stock headset for now. I'm only changing it because that design is crap. Rain. It's not that I'm sliding around all over the place, but I can feel the back end. Yeah, it's doing just that. Not the front though. Oh, so anyway, thank you for sharing that headset creaking fix. Now it's nice to ride the bike again. The back end was drifting. Controlled drift though. That was cool.